Brought to you by JEGS.
Introducing the new FT450. The perfect product for projects that require great cost benefit by enjoying all Power FT line features like sequential injection and ignition, O2 closed loop, active traction control, integrated boost controller, internal data logger, progressive and pro nitrous controls, drag racing features, and many more. In a sturdy and high quality waterproof plastic case, the FT450 has a 26-pin automotive connector, USB communication, and a CAN bus port. It has 7 inputs and 10 outputs that are fully configurable. Featuring the same FT600 dashboard design, it includes features for street cars such as engine start button, total and trip odometers, and uses virtual LEDs for turn signals, headlights, and many other functions. The LCD screen makes it possible to tune and set up all the settings without a PC. It is the perfect integration between the ECU and the vehicle dashboard. And for those who seek even more possibilities, this is the FuelTech FT550. Besides all the features of the FT450, the new FT550 includes the gear controller for power shifting, electronic throttle control, built-in accelerometer, also known as a G-meter, and a gyroscope. The new sequential fuel injection has 2 26-pin automotive connectors for a total of 52 pins, USB communication, and 2 CAN bus ports. There are 14 inputs and 24 outputs that are fully configurable. The FuelTech FT550 is the upgrade your project needs. FuelTech, fueling dreams.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.